Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sanjay Rambadran, Chair of the Metro Board of Directors, and I want to thank you all for being out here at the Hiram Clark Transit Center. And a special thank you to our community partners that are here today. Homer Clark from the Five Corners Improvement District, our friends from the South Post Oak Redevelopment Authority, and Ted Andrews from the Hiram Clark Fort Bend Redevelopment Authority. I'm also joined here this morning by board member Diane Lunar and Metro's President and CEO Tom Lambert, and many members of the Metro Transit Authority here. We also have Dee Dee Chavis, Chief of Staff from Vice Mayor Pro Tem Martha Castick Staten's office. Thank you for being here, Dee Dee. Feels like we were at Hiram Clark just a few months back, launching the curb-to-curb service that by sheer chance happened to show up at the transit center. And so today we are celebrating the installation of these new digital passenger information signs, which you can see behind me, above me, and all of the pillars of the Hiram Clark Transit Center. These signs have already been installed in about a third of our transit centers, and you will also begin seeing them on the boost corridors in the 54 Scott, 56 Airline. You already see them on the METRORapid Silver Line down Post Oak, and once we're done with the transit centers, you'll start seeing them at our park and ride facilities as well. These signs are here to enhance the customer experience and also to allow Metro to communicate better with our riders. Whether it's real-time bus information, alerts about detours, any stop closures, special events, public service announcements, the weather, even though it doesn't feel like December in Houston today, and also ads for when we're looking for more members, mechanics, and drivers to join the Metro family. It's a good thing when you can find ideas, you can find resources to implement those ideas, and find opportunities for innovation. And we are proud that we are able to take advantage of every opportunity that we get. It's a testament to our commitment to enhance the customer experience and the rider's experience. I want to now invite the chairman of the board of the Five Corners Improvement District, Mr. Homer Clark.
Good morning. I'd like to welcome our Metro CEO, Tom Lambert, and our chairman, Brown, as I was told, leave his last name out, and other Metro board members. Our tri-party group, which consists of Five Corners Improvement District, South Post Oak Redevelopment Authority, and the Hiram Clark Fort Bend Redevelopment Authority, is honored to partner with Metro on mobility improvement projects in our community. Our support for the Metro Next program led to the launch of the Metro Curb-to-Curb service, which is off to a great start. This transit center is a key asset in the community. We're excited to host the unveiling of Metro's new digital signage network. We're looking forward to continuing our partnership with Metro regarding multimodal transit improvements in our community. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Clark, for joining us this morning. You know, on the board we come up with ideas, and 9 out of 10 times our president and CEO tells us why it may not be feasible, but when he knows it can be done, it's a man of action, person that leads the 4,000 strong Metro family, our president and CEO, Tom Lambert.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I get the great honor of really recognizing the Metro staff that really have brought this project forward. I want to recognize Denise Wendler, our Chief Information Officer. Where's Denise? And our information technology team. You know, they worked really hard to make sure this project became a reality. This is just another example of the measures we're taking to really make the customer experience better, make it easier to use our services, more reliability of the information when buses are arriving. But I'd be remiss if I didn't thank the Metro Board of Directors. We don't do this without their full support, whether it's the policy direction, the funding direction. So I want to thank Chairman Rahm and all the board members for that. As Chairman Rahm mentioned, to date, we've installed over 130 signs already. We're going to continue to expand this program throughout our transit centers and along specific bus routes. We'll make 2 more transit centers this fiscal year with the digital messages signs, and we'll continue to expand that as we continue to roll out what we believe will really be a customer enhancement, something that they can bank on. They'll know when the bus is going to be here. They'll see the information signs where we can put out public service announcements, where we can let them know about service alerts. It's really how we're communicating with that customer to give them a better experience. So I want to make sure that we continue to work with our community partners. Mr. Chairman, thank you for that. We look forward to moving this forward. And as Chairman Rahm says, he comes up with many ideas that we implement. So I want to thank him for that as well, and I want to thank the staff. I think we're now going to do a ribbon cutting we want to do in front. So Denise, I want you and your team up in this as well. Mr. Chairman, I'll turn it back to you.
Yeah.
I'll take this.
Thank you.
I think we're just going to Walter.
Thank you. I was gonna say, either that or this is going to move. Quality tape down. You gotta get it done in one shot, otherwise it doesn't work. I'm about it. What are you getting me, group forms?
Thank you.